Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error here. Okay, if you try to open your website, your WordPress website on your local host using XAMPP server. Okay, first thing we are going to do here is to make sure all those apps are running. Can I open it? So XAMPP, there you go. Make sure all those features are running. Okay, when they are running, you just minimize it. Go to your C drive, open XAMPP. From here, you find this folder, httdoc, this one here. And then you open your website folder. In my case, it's called Petite. You find wp-config. It's the file here. You open it with Notepad or any text editor you got. You can just right click, open with. I'm going to open it with Visual Studio. Can also open it with Notepad. From here, we are going just to look this part here. It is a define. So this is my database name. It's the username here. And this is my password. Okay. So I know now my password. I know my username. Okay. Now we are going to minimize this. Go back to your browser. Type localhost. Press enter. From localhost, open PHP my admin. As you can see on PHP my admin, I got my database. So come to users. Let's add a new user. From here, the same as the one we saw on wp-config. Check all global privileges. Click go. Come back home. Users dot alpha. Let's refresh our page. Say briefly in maintenance. Try again. Now it's say maintenance. I see. You can see now they're not asking for the password. As you can see here, now my website is opening, right? I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.